Welcome to a journey beyond the bustling streets of Lisbon and the charming alleys of Porto. Portugal offers much more beyond its well-known tourist destinations. Nestled in the verdant hills of the Sintra Mountains, Sintra is a picturesque town that seems like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Explore vibrant Pena Palace, wander through the mystical Quinta da Regaleira. Don't forget to indulge in the traditional pastries at Pirquita. Transport yourself back in time in the historical city of Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover Roman ruins, the medieval cathedral, and the eerie Chapel of Bones. Évora is a living museum of Portugal's fascinating history. Recognized as the Venice of Portugal, Aveiro is renowned for its canals, vibrant molicero boats, and exquisite Art Nouveau architecture. Embark on a leisurely boat ride through the canals and relish in the delightful ovos moles, a delectable local sweet treat. From Serra da Estrela to Monsanto, Comporta, Tomar, and Viana do Castelo, Portugal's hidden marvels offer unique experiences waiting to be explored. Set forth beyond typical tourist destinations, and you shall be bestowed with the abundant history, awe-inspiring landscapes, and warm hospitality that define Portugal's hidden gems. Your forthcoming Portuguese escapade awaits.